what we got over here. What's that? What's that? A big rat. You want a rat? You want to get the big rat? There's a better camera view on this. Oh look, what's that? Hamster and gerbil. If I told you what some people do with gerbils, you'd freak out there, buddy girl. What we got here? Oh, there's little mice. Look at some mice. Look at that. Oh, look at that one. She's a nice one. She's pretty. Look, she's pretty. Look at that. Look at that. What's over here? Oh, boy, there's more real mice. These are rats. Those are rats. The rats. The rats. Oh, look, there's mice too. Little mice all over. Nobody's running the wheel today. Must have exercised earlier. You want one for a pet? Get your mouse for a pet? One little mouse? He's looking right at you. Oh, say hi. Oh, say hi. Hello, mousey. What's another one? Oh, there's a hamster. You like that? Those are cool, huh? These are mice. Yeah. Those are big ones, huh? Oh, you go fight back. Oh, you'll fight back.
How do you keep your cat there?
He just does it. She's used to it. She's trained.
How sweet.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. And she come by and I show what happens to the kids. The cats are bad when she doesn't get to listen to me. See, that's what happens when you're bad. Hey, did you? I want to get out. Let me out. Sing Sing over here.